Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Sol from BullX. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is head on over to bullx.io and then to log in or connect your Telegram. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and do this. Alright, so now it should open up BullX and we can see inside. So what I want to do is click on next here and click on start trading. Now from here, hover over the BullX logo and tap onto it. And now you're going to see more options. We need to go to our portfolio manager here. So click on the portfolio holding. Now if we can scroll down, you'll see all of your holdings. I currently have 0 on this account. So now say for example, you have money in Solana. To withdraw that, what we need to do is click on the BullX and then click onto wallet manager. And then from here, under wallet manager, at the moment it's defaulted to Ethereum. So I want to click down on the down button and then click on Sol. And now because we want to withdraw Sol, we're just going to type in how much Sol we want to withdraw. So click on the withdraw button and then it'll say withdraw select token, which is Sol. And then you've got to select your wallet as well. And then you can click on the amount and put the amount of Sol and a percentage of that, and then you can withdraw it to your selected wallet. So by doing so, you want to withdraw Sol from choose which wallet, and then put in the amount, and then where it says to click onto that, and I've got 2 wallets addresses here, and then go ahead and click on withdraw your Sol to those wallets or wallet